Mr. Scotty.
So,
I know I got a text last night with a slight explanation, because remember you talked about it. He answered your question from yesterday.
Yes, he did, which was perfect. Exactly what I needed.
I forwarded it to you, and we found the documentation.
So,
the documentation.
Okay, so this particular shop states
date of arrival on the car. Now, when a car arrives, you document the actual date it
not
shows
on
up.
or about. That's the first mistake.
Yeah.
Second mistake is this car is a left-hand window regulator complete with motor. Okay, great, not a problem. And one right-hand window regulator motor only.
Yes.
Okay, fair enough. Super easy, very simple. Let's look. Thank you, Xander.
Show us what we won!
Okay, so all the videos show this window going up and down very choppy.
Yeah, it's terribly.
So can we see what's going on there? Can we see the bolt
Yes.
in the middle of the glass?
Yeah, we conversed this. There we go.
Absolutely, absolutely stupid. Now, the problem is that receipt says window motor regulator complete. Okay, let's go to the other side.
This is called Rants with Scotty.
I'm surprised you can fit between it.
Damn!
Damn! Okay, so, do we see the difference?
Yes.
Okay, so we have this part over there. We don't have this part, which bolts to here and bolts properly with
With the plastic.
plastic so you don't take the chance of breaking the glass. So he paid to have that proper, and the shop that did it in Cathedral City didn't do it properly. They did a half-assed job, 100%. And if this was my car and I found out about that, I'd be going back and they'd be giving me my money back. If I don't lodge a complaint against them with the Better Business Bureau. Because I'm sorry, I don't tolerate shoddy workmanship.
And the bar. Don't forget the bar.
This is true. So,
Yay, the bar.
We have fun when the bar guy comes here.
Yeah,
Because
'cause-
we're like, oh,
laugh with
someone's
us.
someone's complaining about this. Oh, here's the videos. Here's all
all
the
parts,
paperwork. Bye.
all parts are used, and motor housings are rusted slightly, ruining only originally painted surfaces. No structural rust or corrosion is evident on any part. Sticky old lubrication has been collected on corrosion.
That's his weekend name. Sticky old lubrication.
Something like that. So, you mean to tell me you don't even bother cleaning the parts that you put into someone's car and re-greasing them properly so that they will work as they are supposed to?
That's too much work.
Exactly. That means doing their job properly. And you have no clue how bad I want to show this company's name, but I can't.
I could.
Nah.
I could too, but Scotty won't let us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, this particular shop in Cathedral City, I would love to have a sit-down conversation and have them give back that amount of money for something that they didn't do.
Wow.
That's a lot. In my opinion, that's a lot. If I'm going to pay that type of money to have my car fixed, it better be flawless.
Yeah, you don't charge somebody and then go, here's the stuff in the box because I don't know what we're doing.
Yeah, exactly. So, that being said,
Oh, man, you almost showed it. Damn it.
almost, we have our work cut out for us. So now it's parts hunting. We were able to find some of the parts to fix this car.
Yes, the two that we need right away, we found. I can get them. So, John,
I'd say within a week or two at most.
I could probably have them by the end of next week.
Yeah. So that's going to be the master surround, the master switch because
That one's janky.
the lock one's broken off.
Yep.
And just to show the point that I was trying to show earlier, and I showed you, Bobby. Where's the lock hole?
That's cute.
Covered.
And it's like tape with metal on the back of it. Like you flip it over, you can see the hole where the switch is supposed
That's
to
where
go.
that's where it would have been cut out
And that's
from the
also
factory.
not the original wood finish.
Yeah.
That's just like cardboard.
Yeah, but that's how it is from the factory too.
Yeah.
No, it's wood.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
With the other one that
Wow.
he showed us. Yeah.
yeah.
So We need to get this to mount this,
Xander
and we
can
need to get the
differentiate
switch.
wood now. That's fun.
Yeah, I know what wood and cardboard is.
I would hope he knows what wood is by now. He is 17 going on 18.
Yeah.
And he's got a girlfriend, so.
You're 4.
I am 4.
So we've got our work cut out for us, John. We really do.
But you've made killer progress.
Oh, yeah, I mean,
We've seen all the videos. And this will be like, in the last 2 days, this is video 14 or 15 or something like that.
well, John knows the quality of work that I love to do, and Xander's been the biggest help. I couldn't ask for a
He's
better
going to have
person.
to ditch school next week.
Yeah.
I wish.
So yeah, but we've got a few things left to do. I've got a little bit more connections to fix.
Yeah, we
need
saw
to
that.
get the harness, the proper harness for the lock switch.
I'm actually going to call those guys at Desert Valley. Like, I've been there before. That place is cool. That'd be a fun. We do a road trip, go there for a day, and then go walk around the sun and get sunburned looking at a bunch of old cars in a giant junkyard. And
That
then,
would be amazing.
Then we go to a Mexican restaurant and have a bunch of beers.
And then drive back to Cali.
Yeah, it's fine.
Done deal. I think we'll do that.
Rick and I did it. We live. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay, so John, you're now updated completely.
We got list.
We have your receipt,
Yep.
and you now have picture-proof evidence. It is totally up to you as to what you want to do. If anything, total.
I would walk in the door with this video
Yep.
and be like, listen here, you sons of bitches.
It's some bitch.
Well, depending. It's a different dialect. It depends where you go.
This is true. This is true.
You know.
But
like-
my dialect is going to be
It's like, where you lived in Georgia. Where you lived in Georgia, you know how they do circumcisions there?
smack your sister on her head.
I was going to say kick your sister in the jaw.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Well, you know what a girl from the. No, I can't tell that joke on air. I can't tell. I cannot tell that
I know the joke.
joke. No, that would be bad.
All right. And with that.
Well, hold on. Booby, come here.
Oh,
Ooh.
shit.
Booby.
Yes, sir.
So,
Oh, Xander's
I also found
back in town.
more messed up things. See, that hole should be in line with the hole that's like right in the middle there. But obviously it's not. It's down like half an inch. So that's why that self-tapping bolt is there. They just kind of screwed it in so it's mounted.
I remember in the last video you talked about a self-tapper, and I was like, what, why?
Yeah.
And
So
now
it's
you've
just sitting
dug
at,
in.
it's sitting like kind of like an angle.
So to prove our point,
So
again,
popular
that's
today.
fun.
yeah, it's been a.
It's fitting for the car because it's an Imperial.
So Xander brought
Whoa.
this to my attention, which I didn't pay attention to. Let's
You
go
didn't
down.
pay attention when he brought something to your attention?
Right. Well,
man.
Xander was showing the passenger side door as to what was going on, and we couldn't do this, we couldn't do that. It's missing this, it's missing that. So this is a push-in clip
Yeah.
that the screw is supposed to go
I
up on
remember
an
talking
angle.
about that yesterday with him.
Guess what Scotty didn't do?
You put it in backwards?
I put it in upside down.
Good job, Scotty.
But we're still,
Sorry, John, I put it in your hole upside down.
we're still missing one.
That, People pay extra for that.
They do.
Oh, yeah, we do need one more. So I'll put that on our hunt list.
Have you heard about the new foot job?
What?
Oops, sorry.
I had a fat girl.
Oopsie.
I had a fat girl give me
Moving right along, let's go.
because I thought it was too small to go in the actual. Never mind.
Yeah. So
With that-
we've definitely got to get some parts. But I'm honestly thinking if we grabbed some tools and stuff and just did like a weekend trip to Arizona to go get these parts,
I'd like to do that.
I think that would be amazing.
If you're doing it on the weekend, I can go.
Yeah, hell yeah, that'd be great. So,
He can drive our drunk asses home.
yeah. So let's.
I can legally drive with an adult, so.
Yeah, exactly. And you turned 18 when?
There ain't no adults.
February. You just turned 17.
No, it's turned.
This is
I'm
almost
like
September,
17
bud.
and a half.
Oh. Well, once you hit 18, you no longer use a
You're
half.
supposed to be the one bad at math.
I use a half all the time.
That's because you're
That's
measuring
all
your
you have.
PP.
Yes.
You only have a half.
Damn.
So, but on that note, John, we know we
Sorry we got
love
silly,
you.
but we have to get silly a little bit because this was serious and made us angry. All right.
Yeah. But on that note, my friend, love you.